Y'all, I just got a new camera.
Tell me on the best diet. I be feeling like yes I am. You know I'm the best diet. You be a fool to not take me as I am. Tell me I'm the best.
Y'all, I am so excited that I got this camera. Like, this camera is bomb. For real. I got the 70, no, sorry. I got the Canon EOS Rebel T6. Yeah, that's what it's called. But y'all, I'm so in love with this camera. If y'all hear like sounds in the background or TV, that's, you know, my sister watching TV or whatever. Sorry about that. I hope y'all can hear me, because I know my voice is pretty low. So yeah, y'all, I'm blind. I know it's probably looking like a little dark right now, but I'm blind, like honey blind. And I'm natural, as you can tell. Like, I hope y'all can see it. Like, I hope it's like showing it more blonde than brown, you know. I finally cut off all my relaxed hair, and now I'm just full blown natural and honey blonde, and I'm loving it. Like, I feel more liberated, I guess that's the word. But yeah, I'm living this natural hair life, okay? Just to show y'all like an idea of how long my hair is. It's like this long. And I know it's looking a little frizzy right now because like it's raining over here and some water got to it, and I've been playing with it all day. Like, ever since I cut my hair, I've just been like doing this to it, and it kind of makes my head hurt, but I can't help it. I just love it. Today I'm doing a hair video for you guys. I'm going to show y'all how I get like super defined curls, and if you want to see how I achieve them, just keep on watching. What I use to shampoo and condition my hair, I use Shea Moisture, what is it called? The Jamaican castor oil. I don't have it with me. I have it somewhere else right now, so I would show y'all, but I don't have it. But that's what I use, and I just love it. Like, that kind is for, like, it can be used for relaxed hair, natural hair, chemically processed, which is the same thing as relaxed, and color safe. So yeah, before I cut my relaxed hair off, I started using that until I, you know, went full on natural, and I'm still using it, and it's really great. Like, I love it. And so after I shampoo and condition my hair, I'm combing out, of course, but I use this amazing stuff. I hope y'all can see it, but it's the Organics Quenching Coconut Curls, Fresh Defined Curl Styling Milk, and this stuff is bomb. Like, this is the only thing I put on my hair, and I just, you know, just comb it out, and then I get super defined curls. But, well, I don't use a comb to comb it out. I use a Deming brush, and this brush really helps me get super defined curls. But that's pretty much all that I literally use, other than, you know, getting them edges flake, okay? For that, I use the Murray's Edge Wax Edge Control. And my hairstylist put me on this, and I've been in love with it ever since. So that is pretty much all the products that I literally use. And water, of course. But I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to just get into this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Dom Beauty. And I'll see you guys in my next one.